The sachet water business may seem like a straightforward venture, but trust me, it is not as easy as it looks. If you considering setting up a sachet water business, then prepare yourself for challenge, sweat, and stress before you even gather the funds necessary to get started. For example, starting a sachet water business with 2 Koyo machines, 3 tons reverse osmosis system will cost you around 140,000 plus Ghana cedis, which is a huge investment. And unfortunately, it's just the beginning of the hurdle you will face. Hello lovely people, you're welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Nick Asa. If this is your first time on my channel, you are warmly welcome. On this channel, I share insightful and knowledge-driven content to help you navigate through various ventures. Don't forget to like this video, share and subscribe so more people will benefit from this information. Let's just dive in with what I have for today. In this business, you will encounter competitors who will not play fair. Some sachet water producers cut corners by bypassing the RO system and relying solely on basic filters for their production. Why? Because RO system is much more expensive than the Koyo machine, and it's not everyone who will be able to afford it. And this makes it a major issue because producing water that is not properly treated or without proper treatment is not only against regulations but also unhygienic and unsafe for public consumption. So let's talk about what makes it worst. Many customers are primarily driven by affordability rather than quality. So producers who sell untreated water at cheaper prices tend to dominate the market in certain local areas where customers are less informed about the risk involved in drinking poorly treated water. These cheaper producers create unhealthy competition by underpricing their product, making it harder for quality producers to thrive. If you have been in a sachet water business, you will know that customers often complain about your prices being too high as compared to other producers or competitors. In fact, it can be frustrating constantly explaining to customers why your water prices is higher than others because they have no idea the effort and the hard work you have put into your production process, which involved advanced treatment which even prioritize their health. Customers often don't understand what goes into ensuring that water is safe to drink. You would have to then educate them, explaining that the slightly higher prices reflect the investment you've made in your equipment, proper treatment and hygienic practices. Unfortunately, this process takes time and effort, and actually not all customers will listen. But here's the good news: quality sells. Okay, your quality will sell you, actually expose you to the market, and also recommend you to even people who haven't even tasted your product before. So you don't need to worry. Over time, your customers will realize or will notice the difference and stick with you, even though other competitors will flood the market with low quality product. But your customers will eventually notice the difference and stick with you. Now, here is a few tips to help you and your customers identify sachet water that hasn't been properly treated. A well-treated sachet water or product can last for months without any unpleasant odor. Now, if you notice an odd odor, it is likely a sachet water hasn't been properly treated. Another thing is that sachet water is sensitive to surrounding smell. For example, if you store a bag of sachet water near soap, it is likely that the sachet water can absorb the smell of the soap into itself. However, if the water itself smells odor, even in isolation, it is a sign of poor treatment. Now, another way for you to know that sachet water is poorly treated is to touch the inside of the packaging. If it feels slippery, then it means that the water is not properly treated. Now, some signs of poorly treated water only becomes evident after drinking. If there is an unusual aftertaste or immediate reaction, it is a red flag. As a producer, you must prioritize quality over cutting corners. Properly treated water not only protects your customers, but also gives your company or your business a reputation for excellence. Now, here are some strategies to help you stay strong in the face of challenges. If you are planning to set up a sachet water business, know that it won't be a smooth ride. Even though you will make it out of it, there will always be challenges, be it competitors with their low quality product interfering the market. Do not lose hope. Do not lower your standard because they haven't put that much effort in their production as you have. Remember, the investments you are making in quality is what will set your business apart. Those who take shortcuts may remain in the market for a while, but quality businesses always prevail in the long run. Customers will eventually recognize and appreciate the value of your product, and you will build a loyal customer base. So while the sachet water business has its own fair share of challenges, your focus is to remain on quality and consistency. So don't let short-term market interferences distract you from your long-term goals. Remember, the ultimate aim is to create a trusted brand with a strong customer base that values your commitment to quality and safety. Okay guys, that's all I have for today. If you have any comments, you can leave it down in the comment section. If this video has been helpful to you, give it a massive thumbs up, share and subscribe if you haven't done so that it will reach to a larger audience and a lot of people will benefit from this information. See you in another video.